We is back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing hammer versus stuff. So our first item we got here is a little bit of Takis. Already opened, but it's okay. Oh yeah. Subscribe, like for more. So it's completely crumbs now. This isn't going to waste, don't worry. Whoa, that scared me. So that was a cologne bottle, if you didn't know. Do not try any of this at home. You could do the Takis at home. Just don't do no glass. Unless your parents are helping you. I'm my own parent. I have a mom, but she doesn't take care of me. I have to take care of myself.
What are you doing?
I'm breaking stuff, bruh. Want to help me?
No.
Good. Huh? Huh?
I'm different.
Well, put on some shoes. Hold on, man. Shut up, you dumb frogs. Those are frogs in the background. This is a piece of a concrete brick. Bed and boot. Cooking up dope with the boot. I was in my room one time and I was hammering a nail so I could hang up this blanket over my window because the moonlight was getting in everywhere and it was too bright in my room. So I hooked up the blanket and there were sparks every time I hit the nail. So I was scared because the thing is like, ooh, that smells good. The sparks were next to the blanket and the blanket was like a cloth. And so I didn't want to catch it on fire, so I just left it. But it was only like one more hit until I was all the way down, so I just hit it. We are transportationing to over here. Let's bring this down. This is a ghetto ramp. You go up right there, and then when you come back, you go up right there. You kind of see a little track right there. Actually, that says something. My track is right there. You can see the black marks. Yeah. Wait, I don't even know why I took that off. Down. My shoe. So this is a microwave. It's already beat up, as you could tell. So we can beat up a little more. I only hit that once and it came off. No, I'm sorry. And here's all the wires that go to the light. I just found a light. Heard that pop? It's a light. You ever do that to any light? See that? You kind of see it indenting here. Kind of a little bit, I think. Poked it myself. One hit. Woo! I don't know what we're supposed to do no more. Pretty much broken. that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.